Welcome everybody. This is a short preview about the WTT Charting module. The startup screen offers you the opportunity to use three integrated data feeds in the moment. There's the bar chart data feed, the interactive Brooker's data feed, and the Yahoo free end of day data feed. And to go over the simple functions, let's start with a new chart. You want to open it to start, you enter the symbol. You have the option to use different time frames for your chart. You can choose your historical data request, and you have some additional settings to open the chart. So we will now open the new blank chart, and what you see here is a simple Standard & Poor's chart data. So you have the standard functionality as you have with every charting platform. You can select the range, or you can zoom in, zoom out, select the area you want to see, or just adjust the chart settings. So there are different options just to scale your chart, just to show you to select the range you want to see. Once you're fine, you just can set the different scaling options here on the chart if you want to like. So or even draw the bars a little bit bigger here. So this is a simple charting module. For sure you can edit different settings about your chart, so all colors can be switched. For example, if you're more like black chart, you will just switch the colors as you like it. So this may be a simple black chart. So this may be a standard black startup screen. You can choose different grids if you like these ones. You can choose the grid color. So everything is just can be set to your favorite settings here. You have the option to set different styles, so you can use bar charts, you can use candle charts, Heikin Ashi, or just simple line charts here for the series. So it depends on the style and the chart you want to use here on the chart. So I like the bar chart more. You can use logarithmic scale, and you have different options here. So once you're fine with your chart settings, you can open for sure different additional charts. So let's just open another one to see the behavior on the screen. So this may be a second chart. So now you can switch between your two charts. Even apply the black layout here. So you can switch between these two here, or if you want to see both on the charts, you have the options here to switch or to put it on the chart quite differently. If you like. So this is the standard settings about how to set up your charts and your screens. Or if you want to structure it a little bit different, you can have them side by side. So you have the ability to set up your screens and charts quite flexible in the way you like it the most. So this is the standard chart opening and chart settings. However, I will switch back more to my favorite layout, which is a clean screen here, with black candles to have it a little bit more simplified here. Okay, this is the standard charting module here with two charts on the start. So with the settings and the different options just to drive your to set up your color coding. Then for sure you can add different drawing objects, text, symbols, simple trend line studies. You can change the color of everything. So you are able to use all drawing objects from an ellipse, speedline, fans, Fibonacci retracements, and everything from standard drawings here. So this is one thing. The other thing is that there are for sure the standard indicators included. So most of the yeah, standard indicators are already integrated here. For example, the RSI switched on here with the colors and the length settings, so you can put on different indicators on the chart here. You can browse the chart, see all the data in, or just browse over it. You can even pop out into a single standalone window if you work with different monitors on your screen. So this is also possible here to pop this out. You can set the each indicator box like you want, or you can put it back to the main screen. So you can add quite a lot of studies here, from averages, smoothing, standard indicators, and different bands on the chart. So you have everything what you need from a standard indicator module. You can plot on the price chart here. So this is just a standard simple moving average. So you can prepare your charts. You can just add all the drawing objects you need if you prepare your charts. So this is the standard charting with the zooming options. And another thing is that if you deal with cycles, it's quite important to have the simulation mode. So if you want to see both charts again on the screen here, so for example you have the Standard & Poor's and the volatility index, then for sure you can activate what I call the so-called replay mode. So you just choose the bar where you want to start your replay mode, so then price moves back and you just start to simulate your replay mode. You can set up the same on a second chart, like here on the VIX, which is quite important if you deal with analysis. So you will also activate the replay mode here normally at the same day. So and now both charts are in replay mode, and what you can do now is the second chart can be synced with the first one. So this is the replay synchronization mode. So and now both charts move in sync. So now if you go forward in time on this chart, you see that both charts are moving in sync now. So you can simulate new data coming into the chart, and you see the behavior on both charts going forward step by step in sync. So that's quite easy if you want to have some simulation and doing some analysis on your chart screen here. So this is the replay mode. This is the simple studies here, and for sure, and this is quite the most important thing, all cycle tools are integrated. So you can use the cycle swing indicator, you can use the cycle scanner module, you can use the cycle plotter, the dynamic cycle explorer, the manual explorer, and the superposition energy wave. So all cycle tools that are integrated are able just to put on the chart here. So here's the cycle swing, for example, on the chart. And if you for sure like even more cycle studies, everything can be just put on the chart just by some simple clicks, and everything is shown, and you just can align how big you want the drawing to be seen, or just how much you want to look forward into the future here. So all standard cycle tools can be just put on the chart here, which is quite important here. So yeah, you can see you can do mainly everything on the chart. You have the cycles, you have the replay mode, you have the drawings, you have the chart settings, the view, and the files. So you can save everything. You can save everything as a workspace. You can save individual charts, and what's also important, you can import and export everything quite forward to Excel or to from Excel. So you're quite flexible with third-party data to import your chart onto your chart. So this is just a quite simple first preview for the charting platform. You see it's a standard charting module, and all cyclic indicators are integrated. So you can use every cycle tools on the chart here with this cycles platform.